The overall goal of this procedure is to classify enzyme hydrolyzable organic phosphorus in extracts of soil or manure samples. This is accomplished by first extracting samples with sodium hydroxide EDTA solution and adjusting the pH of the extracts. Then, incubate these adjusted extracts with 2 different enzyme solutions on a 96-well plate. The final step is to measure enzyme-released orthophosphate using molybdenum blue colorimetry. Ultimately, most native orthophosphate, monoester phosphorus, and diester phosphorus forms can be classified in soil or manure samples based on the differential release of orthophosphate by the enzyme hydrolysis method.
This method can be performed inexpensively in any standard laboratory. The main advantage it has over existing methods like phosphorus-31 nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy is it can measure the potential for native soil enzymes to release orthophosphate from organic peat compounds in the future. Therefore, data obtained by this method can help forecast soil fertility or the potential for soil to release harmful amounts of algal available orthophosphate.
Add 30 milliliters of the 0.25 molar sodium hydroxide solution to 2 grams of wet or dried sample in a 50 milliliter conical tube. Incubate with agitation for 16 hours at room temperature. Centrifuge the samples 3000 times G for 30 minutes. Then transfer 100 microliters to a 1.5 milliliter